Hello and welcome to this short video tutorial. In this video we're gonna show you how to create the device system in the B2 Suite version 2. First we open the equipment setup menu and then we scan for all devices in the cockpit area. For PD units we have to enter the serial number. If you want to add a detected device to your equipment list, you have to do it via the cockpit area. You can also search for devices only in USB or Bluetooth mode. When you add your devices for the first time, it will automatically create a new profile. You can give the profile and corresponding name. You can also create different device profiles depending on your needs specifically. Click and hold the left mouse button and add the capabilities to your profile. With a left click you can either connect to all your devices in the profile or delete the complete profile. You can also disconnect your equipment system in the cockpit area, or you can delete your equipment system. You are then able to choose between your different device profiles. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like more information about B2 and our products, please visit our website. And if you have any technical queries about your B2 device, please contact our technical support at support@b2hv.com.